Hello guys, in case you managed to install the previous version of Windows 11 21H2 on your PC that does not meet the minimum system requirement and you want to upgrade to the latest version Windows 11 22H2, welcome, because in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how to upgrade to Windows 11 22H2 from 21H2 on unsupported PC. Now without wasting time, let's get started. Now on my PC here, as you can see, I installed Windows 11 operating system, and let's now check the version I'm using. So I'll just click on my start icon, then on these options I'll click on this gear icon right here. Then next on settings window, under system settings, I'll just scroll down and click on about option. It's the last option down here. As you can see, I'm using Windows 11 Pro version 21H2. So you can use this method if you want to check your current version of operating system you're using on your computer. Now if you're using a computer that meets the minimum system requirement to run Windows 11, the upgrade process is quite easy. All you need to do on your settings window, just go to your left hand pane and click on Windows Update. It's down here. Then under Window Update, you need to click on check for updates. Then after the checkup process, Windows 11 22 update will be shown right here. So you can just go ahead and click on download and install, and the process will start right away on your PC. But if you're using unsupported hardware, you will always see your up-to-date message. So Windows 11 22H2 will not be available for you. So you'll have to do some other things to install the latest version of Windows 11 on your PC. And this is how you can do it. The first step you need to do is to open any browser on your computer. Then on your browser, just search Windows 11 download. Then on your search results here, you need to click on the first link right here, and you'll be directed to official Microsoft website. Now once you're here under software download, you need to click on Windows 11. Then here you will see download Windows 11 current release, right? Windows 11 version 22H2. Now when you scroll down, you will see we have 3 ways to install Windows 11 on our computer, but I want you to scroll down up to the last option down here on download Windows 11 disk image. So just go down a bit and click on select download and choose Windows 11 Multi Edition. Then next here you need to click on download button. Then next on this window you need to select the product language. Just click here and choose your preferred language from this list. Then next you need to click on confirm button. Then under Windows 11 you need to click on 64-bit download, and the download process of Windows 11 22H2 disk image will start right away. Now the process will be faster. It depends with your internet speed. For me, it only took 10 minutes to download this file. Now once the download process is complete, just go to downloads and locate your Windows 11 22H2 ISO file. So mine is here, so you can just copy and paste it in a different folder, right? So I'll just put it on my desktop right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to extract this file right here. So you'll need to have a WinRAR on your PC for you to be able to do that. So if you don't have WinRAR, you can check this video right here and you will learn how you can download and install it on your computer for free. Now to extract this file after installing WinRAR on your computer, just right click on it. Then on these 4 options, just go down to WinRAR and another options will pop up. Now on your second pop-up options, you need to click on extract files right here, and the process of extracting your file will start right away. Now after a few minutes, here you will see the extracted file. Now you need to go ahead and open it, and once you are here, previously we deleted a certain file inside the sources folder, and it was appraiseries.dll file, right? But this time round we will not delete it, we will just have to replace it. You did download the appraiseries.dll file, and you can check the link is in description. Then after the download process, you also need to extract this file. After extracting it, you can go ahead and copy this file right here, is what we need. Then open this sources folder and paste appraiseries files inside here. And in case this option pops up, just go ahead and allow the replacement of the file. Then once you're done, now we are good to go. We can start the process of installing Windows 11 22H2 on our computer. So what you need to do here, just double click on setup.exe application and installation process will start right away. So these prompts are easy and obvious. Here you just need to click on next, then on notices and license terms you need to click on accept. Then here for upgrade you need to make sure you keep your personal files and apps unless you want to delete them all, right? After that, just click on install and the process of installing Windows 11 22H2 will start right away. So here what you need to do, you need to make sure your computer is connected to power so that the process should not be interrupted. So the installation process will only take few minutes. After the installation process, you will be able now to enjoy using the latest version of Windows 11 which is 22H2. Now as you can see here, I've already upgraded to the latest version of Windows 11. So something I had missed in the previous version was drag and drop feature, but this time around, as you can see, this feature is really working well, right? So there are so many features which we'll be talking about in our future video. So guys, basically that's how you can upgrade a Windows 11 22H2 from 21H2 on unsupported PC. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.